Alright, good morning everybody. Look. Remember that pot that we planted up yesterday? With the pentas and the asparagus fern and the dusty miller? Well, there you go. That's what it does. Lazy little bird. I hope you're not broken. Seem to be doing fine. Look how cute. Go get yourself some pentas. See if you get some hummingbirds. Let me know in your comments what kind of birds you get in your garden. Well, that's a banana back there. See the banana tree? I'm in 7B zone. So that's a green banana. Okay. 2 lessons in 1. They die back and they come back every year. They don't grow bananas though. Okay, back to the bird. She is just loving this. It's a little girl one, because she doesn't have the band around her neck. Alright. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, have a good day. Plant something.